Dear all, Stancomplect is broadcasting. We would like to present you the automatic workpiece return conveyor from KDT KHC-324S. It's an ideal solution for integration with your KDT CNC drilling center. The overall dimensions of the conveyor are 4000 mm in length, 2100 mm in width and 1050 mm in height. The power of the conveyor is 1.5 kilowatts. The automatic return system allows to significantly optimize the workflow, reduce hours worked and increase overall productivity. This conveyor model is available from stock. Contact us today for more information about the KHC-324S conveyor and its potential to optimize your production. Thank you for attention. We look forward to your contact.